Hey there, space explorers. I'm Luna, your kid astronaut, and today we're blasting off on a magical journey through the solar system. Buckle your seatbelts. Our rocket is ready. The stars are winking, and adventure is just a countdown away. Rocket whoosh. Imagine soaring past fluffy clouds, feeling the gentle tug of gravity, and spotting sparkling planets like glitter on a birthday cake. Are you ready to discover amazing space facts that will make your imagination sparkle? Let's fire up the engines and zoom toward our first stop, the beautiful blue planet we call Earth. Hold tight, because the fun is about to begin. Welcome to Earth, our dazzling blue marble. Did you know our planet is covered by 71% water, enough to fill 1.3 billion Olympic swimming pools? Splash, the atmosphere is like a cozy blanket, keeping us warm and letting us breathe. Earth spins once every 24 hours, giving us day and night, just like a giant disco ball turning in space. And guess what? If you could stretch a rope around the equator, it would be about 40,075 kilometers long enough for a super-fast space train. Now that we've explored our home, let's hop on our rocket and glide to the nearest neighbor, the moon, where craters tell stories of ancient space rocks. Ready? Look up, that glowing night friend is our moon, Earth's loyal sidekick. Even though it looks small, the moon is actually a huge rock, about 3,474 kilometers across, which is roughly 1/4 the size of Earth. It has no air, so sound can't travel, but its surface is covered in craters from ancient meteorite kisses. Did you know a day on the moon lasts 27 Earth days? That means the sun rises slowly, like a sleepy giant stretching its arms. And here's a fun trick. If you could jump 3 meters high on the moon, you'd stay in the air for almost 6 seconds. Ready for a red dusty adventure? Let's rocket toward the mysterious planet Mars. Welcome to Mars, the red planet. Its surface is covered in rusty iron dust, giving it a color like a giant cinnamon bun. Whoosh, Mars is half the size of Earth, but its gravity is only 38%, so you could jump 3 times higher than on our home planet. It has the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which towers 22 kilometers high, taller than a stack of 2,000 Eiffel Towers. And guess what? Mars has 2 tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos, that look like potato chips racing around the planet. Scientists think Mars once had rivers and maybe even lakes, so who knows? Maybe ancient Martian microbes waved hello. Next, we'll soar to the biggest planet of all, Jupiter. Hold on tight. Whoa, look at Jupiter, the giant of our solar system. It's so huge that 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Imagine stacking 1,300 soccer balls. Boom, Jupiter is a ball of swirling gases, mostly hydrogen and helium, which makes it look like a giant marble with colorful stripes. Its most famous feature, the Great Red Spot, is a storm that has raged for at least 350 years, bigger than 3 Earths side by side. Jupiter also has 79 moons. The 4 biggest, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, are called the Galilean moons after the astronomer who first saw them. Some scientists think Europa's icy crust might hide an ocean teeming with life. Ready to glide through sparkling rings? Let's spin toward Saturn. Behold Saturn, the planet with the most dazzling jewelry in the cosmos, its spectacular rings. Made of billions of ice and rock chunks, the rings stretch out over 280,000 kilometers, yet they're only about 10 meters thick, like a giant, glittery pancake. Twinkle, Saturn is a gas giant, mostly hydrogen, and it spins so fast that a day lasts just 10.7 Earth hours, faster than a superhero sprint. Its biggest moon, Titan, is larger than Mercury and has lakes of liquid methane, making it a truly alien world. Imagine sailing a boat on a methane sea. As we wave goodbye to Saturn's sparkle, let's tilt our heads to meet the sideways planet, Uranus. Here comes Uranus, the planet that likes to roll. Unlike other planets, Uranus spins on its side, tilted about 98 degrees, so its poles point toward the sun like a spinning top. Spin this gives it extreme seasons that last 21 Earth years each. Its beautiful blue-green hue comes from methane gas that absorbs red light, leaving a cool teal color. Uranus also has a faint ring system, hidden like a secret bracelet. And did you know it has 27 moons? Some are named after characters from Shakespeare. Imagine a moon called Ophelia dancing around a planet. Next, we'll dive deeper into the deep blue wonder of Neptune. Now we arrive at Neptune, the deep blue mystery of the outer solar system. Its vivid color also comes from methane, but Neptune is even colder, about -200 degrees C. Shiver the planet boasts the fastest winds in the solar system, whipping up to 2,400 kilometers per hour, faster than a supersonic jet. Its biggest moon, Triton, orbits backward, as if it's moonwalking in space, and it spews icy geysers that shoot nitrogen snow into the sky. Some scientists think Triton might be a captured dwarf planet, making it a cosmic traveler. Ready for a dazzling climax? Let's ignite the sun, our brilliant star, and feel its golden power. Here shines the sun, our mighty star and the heart of the solar system. It's a gigantic ball of hot plasma, so hot that its core reaches 15 million degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt any metal you can imagine. Whoosh, the sun is so massive that it holds 99.8% of the entire solar system's weight. Its light travels 150 million kilometers to reach Earth, taking just 8 minutes. So when you see sunrise, you're actually seeing the sun's smile from the past. The sun also has solar flares that burst like fireworks, sending streams of energetic particles into space. Ready for the grand finale? Let's zoom out to see our home galaxy, the Milky Way, sparkling with billions of stars. Zooming out, we see the Milky Way, our galactic home. It's a massive spiral of stars, gas, and dust, stretching over 100,000 light-years across. That means the light from one edge takes 100,000 years to reach the other, longer than any human story. Twinkle, our solar system is just a tiny speck, like a single grain of sand on a beach of glittering stars. The Milky Way contains about 400 billion stars, many with their own planets, maybe even more worlds than you can count on your fingers. When you look up on a clear night, you're peeking at the glowing band of our galaxy. Next, we'll catch a magical shooting star and make a wish together. Look up, a shooting star, also called a meteoroid, has just streaked across the night sky, leaving a sparkling tail. Whoosh, sparkle. Most meteoroids are tiny rocks from space that burn up in Earth's atmosphere, creating a flash of light. If one were big enough, it could become a meteorite that lands on the ground, like a space souvenir. Kids love to make wishes on shooting stars. It's a tradition that dates back thousands of years. Imagine holding a wish for a new discovery, a friendly alien, or a future space mission. As our star trail fades, let's bring our adventure back home and reflect on the wonders we've seen. What an incredible journey. From Earth's blue seas to the glittering Milky Way, we've discovered that the universe is full of surprises waiting for curious minds like yours. Remember, every star you see is a sun with its own story, and you could be the next explorer to uncover it. Keep asking questions, keep dreaming big, and never stop looking up at the night sky. If you loved our adventure, give this video a thumbs up, share your favorite fact in the comments, and press that shiny subscribe button so we can explore more together. Until our next cosmic quest, this is Luna signing off. Stay star bright. Cheerful chime.